What do you need to know if you're charged with manufacturing a controlled substance in Huntsville or Madison County, Alabama? Obviously, this is a very serious crime to be charged with. Hi, my name is Andy Siegel. I'm an attorney here in Madison County, and we're going to address that question today. Manufacturing a controlled substance, there are two levels of this crime. And we're going to start with manufacturing a controlled substance in the second degree. Basically, this means that somebody has the ingredients, what are called precursors, to make some sort of a controlled substance. A controlled substance is simply something, a drug or a chemical substance that a person cannot legally own in the state of Alabama. The most common, of course, is methamphetamine. Precursors are the ingredients. If you had a cookbook, these are the things that you have to put together to make if you're making a cake, this is what you need to make the cake, the eggs, the flours, etc. And Alabama law says that for drugs, there are certain ingredients that you can't have. So for the manufacture of meth, one of the most common ingredients are ephedrine-based products. You can't have, with the intent to make these drugs, ephedrine-based products. Now, if I got the sniffles and I run out to Walmart and I buy a box of Sudafed, I'm not guilty of a crime. If I got the sniffles and I go out to Walmart and I buy a box of Sudafed because I'm really planning on making meth, I am guilty. Now, whether or not that could be proved in a court of law is a different issue. If I'm what's called a smurf and I go to Walmart and I go to Target and I go to every pharmacy all across North Alabama and my trunk is filled with boxes of Sudafed and some officer's been tipped off, and he pulls me over, assumed it's a legitimate pullover, and says, "What are you doing?" I go, "I'm going to manufacture me some meth." I'm in deep trouble because I've admitted, I've proved the element of intent, and I have the ingredients, the precursors. And so I have admitted to the crime of manufacturing manufacturing second degree, which is, again, I've got the ingredients and I have the intent, and that is manufacturing in the second degree. And I would be looking at going to prison for 2 to 20 years of my life. Not good, not a happy ending. Now, let's change the facts a little bit. Under the facts, let's say that instead the person is at their house and they've got one of those plastic laundry tubs filled with filled with boxes of Sudafed. Police come in for whatever, either they have a search warrant or it's a legitimate reason. The person says, "Yep, I'm manufacturing meth." Now, if there are other aggravating factors, it escalates the charge from manufacturing in the second degree, having the ingredients for the cookbook to make the cake, to manufacturing first degree. One of them is, if you got finished product, if you made the cake, that elevates it. If you have firearm prison, if you have people under 17, if you are in a residence, if you are near a business or a school, any of these things can elevate the charge from manufacturing second to manufacturing first. And manufacturing first, if the person is convicted, has a very unhappy ending of 10 years to 99 or life in the state penitentiary. So, because all of the consequences for a manufacturing case are so serious, if you or somebody you love is accused of this, obviously you better get yourself to an attorney as quickly as you can. You need to talk to that lawyer. There's a number of things that can be done to defend a manufacturing case. But since right now I'm just talking to a video camera, I can't tell you because I don't know the facts of your case. You need to talk to your lawyer, or if you want to talk to us, but you need to talk to somebody and see what can be done to defend yourself. If you want to give us a call, give us a call. The phone number is below. We don't charge for a first consultation. We don't think that you should have to pay a lawyer for the lawyer to decide whether or not they want to take your case. So give us a call. Hopefully we can help you. And I hope that you found this video informative. And thank you for watching.